Hello everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making ackee saltfish, which happen to be the Jamaican national dish. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. The ackee, pimento seed, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, parsley, oil, which is olive oil, and this is saltfish, scallion, onion, bell peppers, tomato, garlic, and thyme. The saltfish is extremely salty, therefore I have to wash off the excess salt and then put it in boiling water. I'm gonna wash it off before I put it in the pot. You can see the salt right there coming off the saltfish. Very salty. So I'm gonna take it off one by one. Make sure the salt rinse off of it, and then because it's no good. So now I'm gonna wash it one more time, and then we're gonna place it in the pot with already boiling water. So this is our saltfish, and the purpose of the boiling of the saltfish is just to get rid of the excessive salt. It's gonna be boiling for a few. When it starts boiling, maybe for 5-10 minutes, then I'll change the water and put additional water in it again and let it boil again, and then that's gonna be it for now. Got it, my scallions. They're gonna be chopped a little bit finer than the norm. Even the thyme, because you're gonna try and avoid the sprongs and all the big stuff in there, because it's in now. Put it over here. I want my ackee to be seen. I'm gonna be, and now is my onion. I'm gonna have to change this water, so this is gonna be the first change. So it comes to a boil this time, and this is gonna be the final. Then I'm gonna prepare it to put in my ackee. Okay, so this is gonna boil another time. Now I'm gonna get ready to do my so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my oil in the pot wherein it's olive oil. I'm gonna just do it like this. You need more than I can, but I will do it a little later. It gets a little hot. So I'm gonna wait a little for it to, and I'm using a lot of vegetables. Not a lot, but being it's 2 cans of ackee and almost 2 pounds of saltfish, that's the reason why I'm using so much vegetable and herbs. And I'm gonna take, I'm gonna use like about 3 and 6 pimento seeds, but I'm gonna crush them a little Come on. Brush the tomato seed a little bit. And then I'm going to put them in the pot. So that's the tomato seeds. Okay. So I have to put this sauce tomato. I'm also waiting on the saltfish because I want everything to be done in timely manner. So I'm gonna cover it, turn it on the low and cover it a little. I'm not gonna put the powdered seasoning in there as yet until I can be able to get the saltfish in there as well. I'm gonna turn the stove off. This is the final boiling of the fish to get out the salt, and so now I'm gonna pour this out, and then I'm gonna show you how I fix it to go into the ackee. Here is the actual saltfish. Now I'm going to put a little cold water in it just for it to cool it down for me to be able to handle it because it's kind of hot now. So I'm pouring cold water in it just to give it a little cool down. Okay, so let's take that aside a little. This is my ackee that I opened and taken out of the cans. And now what I do, it's not necessarily everybody does it this way, but what I do, I pour some additional water in it and I just drain it off like this. So this is actually ready to be placed in my pot. Okay. Now I'm gonna get ready to mince my saltfish. So let I wash my hands because here we go. I'm gonna get this and do it like this. And everybody get a piece of everything. That's what I'm working for here. Even portion. Okay, so this is fine. My saltfish is ready and my ackee is ready. My pot here, which so here I'm gonna put my my powdered season powder, which this is the garlic powder, onion powder, oops, the creeper, and black pepper. Seasoned salt. And for sure, I do nothing without my parsley. Just add a nice flavor to everything that one might be cooking. I'm gonna stir it around. And I'm gonna place my saltfish first in there. This is it. Now go with the ackee. Do this. I don't like when my ackee looks like scrambled eggs, so I tend to not let it crush too much. So use this, sorry. Use my fork instead. So. This is Ackee and Saltfish. Jamaican national dish. Let me taste it. Very good. Use a little more seasoned salt. And a little crushed pepper. I'm gonna put a little decor on there. This is the finished product of my Ackee and Saltfish. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!